What are your kids' hidden talent? One fine day, off from work, while you were busy taking care of your kid at home, you suddenly see him building a car with his Legos? That exact moment you understand how talented your kid is. Kids are hidden with such talents. All they need is an opportunity to explore these talents. It is possible that your kids are not even aware of their abilities. Do you know what is the probable reason behind this? Lack of exploration. Yes, you got that right. Restricting your kids to explore can lead to a stagnant development. You feel your child is not talented and he loses his confidence. But if your child gets a chance to explore skills and programs, he can understand what serves his interest the best and be an eye-opener for you to his talents. So as parents, let's help our kids to discover the talents and aid a future that is equipped with LogiQminds programs that are customized, which are as unique as your kids'.